Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to unlock the new winter frost recipe, ice latte, in just a few easy steps. First, make sure you already have the penguin stove, because this recipe can only be cooked using this stove. And if you don't know how to craft the penguin stove yet, you can check the tutorial link in the description to watch the tutorial. And then next you also need the iced coffee recipe. You can buy this recipe from NPC Massimo, or you can also get it by completing the Aurora Banquet quest on the NPC Massimo. And when you get this recipe, just just tap on your penguin stove like this, and then just open the iced coffee recipe like this, and then now just replace the coffee ingredient with the milk, this one, and just replace again, so the compositions become like this. And when you're done, just tap on start cooking like this, and then just cook it. And okay, like this, you have successfully unlocked the new winter frost ice latte recipe. And like this, you can see you have unlocked the recipe. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.